Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to say that we just had very fruitful discussions with the Prime Minister. I think we had really quite an in-depth, very frank discussion of the road ahead for this country, which seems very, very promising. So we discussed everything, as you can imagine, from the constitutional reform to the new federalism, to what we do in so-called Shabab-cleared areas, to how we can deal with the youth, how can we deal with women groups, and generally how we can have a reconciliation and outreach with the local communities that may have felt a little bit left out through the decades in this new day ahead, in this new future for Somalia. I think I felt this was very, very fruitful.
Thank you, Madam. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This morning was another day of productive work with the United Nations. We had very in-depth discussion on the challenges and the opportunities for moving ahead. The major things we discussed include reconciliation processes, moving Vision 2016 forward, which we are already engaging in, and the stabilization of the liberated areas. We have discussed both the opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead, and we focused on how we make best out of the opportunities and address the challenges that we are facing. We are very pleased with the support we are getting from the United Nations, and we are very pleased to announce that this morning Madam Judy made another pledge for more support and for broader support to the process, to the ongoing processes. Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Waxaan aad ugu faraxsanahay saaka inaan la kulmay wafdiga ay hogaaminayso xooghayaha guud, gacanyaraha xooghayaha guud ama afhayeenka xooghayaha guud ee Jamciyadda Qaramada ka dhaxaysa, Madam Judy, oo runtii waqtiga ayna soo booqatay uu yahay waqti xasaasi ah oo aynu ku dhex jirro howlo aad muhiim ugu ah mustaqbalka ummadda Soomaaliyeed. Sidaad la socotaan waxaynu ku jiraa inaynu dib u xoreyno goobo badan oo cadowga al-shabaab uu haysto, xoreynta kadibna inaynu xasilino oo aynu sugno nabadda oo aynu nolosha dadkana horumarino. Waxaa kaloo aynu ku jiraa innaga oo bilownay runtii waxa aan u naqaano Vision 2016 ee ah in dib loo habeeyo dastuurka, in nidaamkii federaalka ahaa dalka la hormariyo oo la dhiso, iyo in aynu gaaro doorashooyin dhaca 2016. Arrimahaas dib u xoreynta, xasilinta iyo arrimaha siyaasadeed aynu gelayno ayaynu ka wada hadalnay saakayto. Waxaanu isla eegnay fursadaha aynu haysano iyo caqabadaha hor yaalla. Waxaana isla meel dhignay inaanu fursadaha ka faa'iidaysano si buuxda isaga kaashano howlahaas sidii loo dardargelin lahaa. aad baan ugu faraxsanahay safarkeeda. Waxaanan u mahadcelinayaa wakiilka Jamciyadda Qaramada ka dhaxaysa Nick oo runtii howl weyn nala qabtay, howl weyn nala hayo. Waa mahadsantihiin.
Assalamu alaikum. Suwa wanaagsan. Nabadaynta. I'm very pleased to be here with Judy, the Assistant Secretary General from New York. Her job is to support Somalia in peace building, and I'm very pleased that we are funding the progress Somalia is making. Somalia is making progress, security is making progress, the economy is making progress, and politically the country is making progress. The United Nations is supporting that, and with this visit, we shall be making sure people, Somali people in the newly recovered areas now have a better government, better lives, better economy, and better jobs. And that's our hope and our work in the next few days to support that. Thank you.